I think the hardest adjustment that I've had since my heart attack is having this team of doctors around me that are basically telling me what to do and telling me how I should be eating. And it was a real kind of power struggle. I was like, wait a minute, I know what I'm doing. I know that, like, I know all of this. I used to be very much a high protein, high fat type diet, and now there's a lot more balance. I will make sure that I have protein, fat, carbs, and vegetables every single time I eat. For me personally, I lean more toward Mediterranean style, plant-based. A typical breakfast, I'll have like a non-fat Greek yogurt with like some berries. I get the non-fat Greek yogurt because I want to add in my fat and use peanut butter. Anytime I can add peanut butter into anything, I'm gonna do it. I'm the guy where I used to be like, where's my protein, where's my protein? Now I'm like, where's my balance? Where are my vegetables? I feel like my next book is gonna be called The Reluctant Vegetarian because I miss it. Last night I was having dinner with a group of people and they were all having steaks and I had a cauliflower steak. And by the way, my cauliflower steak was really amazing. I play this game where I just go to the grocery store and I just get every vegetable I can find. Things that I would normally get and things that I never have gotten before. If you follow me on Instagram, I cook all the time. I have this cast iron skillet that I love. And I mean, I throw them all in that skillet and everything tastes so much better. Before, where I would use olive oil or like the olive oil spray, I've been cooking with a vegetable broth. And it sounds really weird, and I've talked to other chef friends of mine, and they're like, oh, that's really interesting that you're doing that. It reduces the fat so much, but also creates so much flavor. I do feel healthier. It's been a crazy year. Coming up on my 1-year anniversary, I've gone through a lot of ups and a lot of downs. Do I feel like I've gotten back to the way I used to? No, I don't feel that way, but that's okay. You're never gonna be the same, but you can still be a better version of yourself.